In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive folders in Google Classroom. Fix today here. Let's begin. Have you ever wanted to share an entire collection of worksheets, resources, or project files with your students, only to discover that Google Classroom mainly lets you attach individual files? Uploading everything one by one can be time-consuming and clutter your classroom stream. Fortunately, you can share an entire Google Drive folder using a folder link. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com, then log into your Google Drive account. Locate the folder you want to share, right-click it, then go to Share and click Share again. If you want everyone in the class to access the folder, click the restricted drop-down under General Access and change it to anyone with the link or your school domain if available. Make sure the permission level is set to Viewer. If you only want specific students to access the folder, leave General Access set to Restricted, then click the Add People in Groups box, enter the student's email address, and set their permission to Viewer. Next, click Copy Link at the bottom of the window. Then click Done or Send if you're sharing directly through email. Now open a new tab and go to classroom.google.com. Open your class and click the Classwork tab. Click the Create button and choose Assignment or Material. If the folder is only for certain students, use the All Students drop-down on the right and select the specific students who should receive it. Click the Add Link icon, paste the folder link, and click Add Link. Fill in your title, then click Assign or Post. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.